In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this app cannot run because the environment is not secure and your data may be at risk warning on Revolut app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you're getting this warning on your Revolut app, then most likely you are using a VPN app. So if you're using any VPN app, turn it off or uninstall it before you try to use the app. You also want to check if you have any security app that you recently installed. This might also be the cause. If you also turned developer mode on your phone, you may want to disable developer mode before you can use this app. Sometimes this might be the reason you are experiencing this. However, if all this fails, then it's time to troubleshoot our Revolut app and see if this fixes the problem. To do this, first go to your phone and look for settings. Under settings, go down and tap on apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut, and here it is. And from here, go to for stop app and okay. And again, go to clear data and clear cache and finally okay. And finally clear all data. This will log you out of your app. Now you need to restart your smartphone. And once you have restarted your smartphone, now open your Revolut app. And now everything should be up and running without any issue. But should this not fix your problem, then go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone and search for your Revolut app like this. And if I run search, you can see my app is here. Tap on it to open. From here, if we have any update your app to the latest version to fix any error related to security. Once you're done, now open your app and now your app should be up and running without any issue. Now at this point, everything should be running. However, if you still experience any challenge with your Revolut app, try and turn off your Wi-Fi if you're trying to access the app via Wi-Fi and try using your mobile data, and this should now work perfectly well. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.